Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look right here will be this purple sort of pearl cut crease. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So guys, to prime the lids, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. It's in the shade tan. So I'll just let that sit on the eye for a minute, because when you let it sit and you let it set for a little bit, you actually get better coverage. And with a concealer brush, I'm just gonna pat that all over the lid. It is the same concealer I used to clean the brows, so it matches perfectly. So the palettes I'm going to be using today is the Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. I love this palette. I did a review on it recently. And also I will be using the E.l.f. Kneaded Nude palette, just one shade off that palette. So starting with this dark purple that you see right here, I'm going to be using a blending brush, and I'm just going to pack that all over the crease area until I get the amount that I'm satisfied with. And once I am comfortable with the pigment level, I'm just going to use swiping motions to blend it all together. So the next color I'm going to be using is this hot pink right here. I'm just going to pack that on top of the purple to blend it out evenly. I also pack some of the pink directly on top of the purple, so when I blend it out, it gives me a gradient effect. Now the last color I'm going to be using for this part is this black right here. Now remember, when working with black eyeshadows, you have to be very careful. So that's why I made sure I tap some off, because next thing you know, you're looking like a raccoon without even knowing it. So basically, I'm using the black to sort of deepen the purple even more. And I also went back to that purple and added it back on top of the black shadow, because I didn't want the black shadow to take over the whole look. Now guys, to cut my crease, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And with a flat concealer brush, I'm just going to pat some off, because you don't want to start cutting a crease with too much concealer. It's going to be a mess. So a trick to actually cut your crease is to draw 3 points, you know, the middle, the end, and the beginning, and after that you connect them. Now to soften the edges, I went back with the purple and black at the end of that cut crease and just softened it out a bit. Now using a flat shadow applicator brush, I'm just gonna take the white shadow from my Gorgeous Me palette and then set the concealer with it. Now going in with my e.l.f. Kneaded Nude palette, I'm going to be taking this pearly shimmer shade right here. It has no name, I apologize. And I'm just going to lay that on top of the white shadow that I just set. For liner, I'll be using my Maybelline Eye Studio liner. Using an angle brush, I'm just going to draw a very thin line along my lash line. To prep for lashes, I'll just use the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara. It does nothing special, it just blackens the lashes, so I can apply my false lashes a little bit easier. Now, using my eyelash curler that I got from the dollar store, I'm just gonna curl these puppies before I actually apply my false lashes. Now, these lashes, guys, I actually got them from Amazon. They were under the name 6D Mink lashes. I got them in the style SD02. I am absolutely in love with these lashes. They are gorgeous. Okay guys, so in the tutorial I forgot to mention that you have to highlight the waterline with some black liner to complete this look. But anyway, I did my lashes and the rest of my makeup off camera, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope you tune in for my next video. If you are, I suggest you subscribe and then you click that bell button to get a notification from when I post my next video. But I love you guys and I hope I see you guys next time.